Hi, today we're going to classify triangles by their sides. Now there's three possibilities that we can come up with. Isosceles, scalene, equilateral. Isosceles means we have a triangle with two sides that are the same value. Scalene means we have a triangle with three sides that none of them are the same. And equilateral, if we break that up, equilateral, equi meaning equal, lateral meaning sides, all the sides are equal, they're all the same value. So let's use that. Let's take some information down here, put it in our picture, and then move on. So C is the midpoint of BD. When you have a midpoint, it cuts something up into two equal parts. So if one side's 5, the other side also has to be 5. And then on the other side, E is the midpoint of DF. So if one side's 6, the other side's got to be 6. Now, that's not all the information that we know. We know a little more. Now, if we come up here to our picture, we have little tick marks on our graph. Those little tick marks, they say that sides are either going to be similar, or they're going to be the same, or they're not going to be the same. They're going to be different. I have two little tick marks. I have two little tick marks. That means both of these sides have the same value. They're congruent to each other. That's 10. This also has to be 10. Now, let's use all that picture and classify these triangles by those three possibilities. So triangle ABC, we're looking at ABC, this triangle all the way to this right, all the way to the right, the little one here. We have a 10, we have a 5, we have a mystery. But I know that this mystery is not the same as this. And it would say that it would be similar here, but it's not. So we call that three different sides, scalene. ACD, we're talking that little triangle next to it. ACD, we have a 10, we have a 5, we have a mystery side. This mystery side is not the same as anything else. Again, scalene. Now let's put those two together and look at the bigger version of ABD. We have a 10, but on the bottom we also have 10. Since all three sides are 10, we now go equilateral. Moving off to our third triangle here, ADE. ADE, we've got a 10, we've got a 6, and this is not the same as any of the other ones. So scalene again. AEF, little triangle off to the side. AEF, we've got a 12, a 6, and a mystery. That's not the same. Scalene again. But when we combine those last two, ADF, ADF, I have a 12, and a 10. They share two sides. They're both the same value. We now call that isosceles. And that's classifying triangles by their sides.